Hi there, please like and subscribe, I beg you. Swipe. Settings and privacy. Privacy and safety. Manage what information you see and share on X. Audience and tag. Manage what information you allow other people on X to see. Protect your posts. Only show your posts to people who follow you. If select, you will need to approve each new follower. What is difference between public and the protect posts? When you sign up for X, your posts are public by default. Anyone can view and interact with your post. Should you choose to protect your post, you can solve this through your account settings or more protect your post. If you protect your post, you will receive ad requests when your people want to follow you, which you can approve or deny. Accounts that beg and follow you before you protect your post will still be able to view and interact with your protect posts unless you block them. Learn more about blocking. Public posts are visible to anyone whether or not they have an X account. Protect posts only visible to your X followers. Please keep in mind your followers may still capture image of your posts and share them. Please like and subscribe.